Are you looking for some easy side hustles that can help you to earn some extra cash? In this video, I will show you 6 easy laziest side hustles that you can start from today and earn a lot of extra cash every month. And there is one in particular that no one is talking about online. So stay tuned and let's go to the list together. Number 1 in this list is driving a wrapped car. If you own a car, imagine making it a money-making machine for you without becoming an Uber or Lyft driver. So here's the deal. You can potentially earn cash by transforming your car into a mobile advertisement. So what you need for this job is a reliable car, a clean driving record, and willingness to drive certain amount of miles. So with this type of side hustle, you could be earning $200 to $600 every month. There are 2 companies that offer this service. One of them is called Carvertise and the other one is Rapify. And once approved, these companies will wrap your car with eye-catching branding. And when they do that, they don't damage your car because there is an extra layer of protection. So after it's done, you can continue your normal daily life. You can go to work, do the groceries, and just have a normal day-to-day life. Imagine making money with your normal everyday driving. Let's do some calculations now. If you make $400 a month, that would be $4,800 a year without doing anything. It is like turning your commute to a money-making journey. So why not make your car work for you? Now let's go to number 2, which is creating and selling logos. Whether you're running your business or trying to make a personal brand, having a standout logo is essential. So there is a high demand from companies to have a great logo for their brands. And the good news is you don't need to be a design pro. You can start with Canva for free and design great logos for the companies and start selling them on some platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. But also you can use AI platforms such as legomaster.ai to design professional logos in just 5 minutes. And legomaster.ai has reasonable pricing for the projects and you don't need to pay until your logo is designed and you are completely satisfied. After you're comfortable with designing logos, there are 2 platforms that you can go and start selling your logo service. One of them is fiverr.com and the other is 48hourslogo.com. In these platforms, you create your profile and then put some samples of your work, and then people will come to you and start ordering and you will offer your service and earn money. So then you can create your business profile in these platforms and then you can charge from $10 to several $100s for each logo you design. So imagine you have 5 logos to design per week, so you could make $250 that week, which could be $1,000 per month. So if you are creative and enjoy design work, selling logos can be fun and profitable for you, or even it can be a full-time gig for you. Now let's go to number 3 side hustle that no one is talking about. This is email marketing with Klaviyo. Email marketing with the platform Klaviyo is the one that requires no previous experience or no expertise. I personally tested this side hustle and found it very easy to do. Klaviyo is a great platform that you can do email marketing and SMS marketing. It is a very easy website app that you can sign up for free and create a free account and use the services. You can learn very easily how to work with this platform and integrate it with the online platforms or online shops that your clients have. You can connect their Shopify store to their Klaviyo account, and whatever you do in the Klaviyo website, like creating email campaigns or creating a sign-up page, will automatically apply on their online platform. And if you look at the Fiverr and search for email marketing, you can see there are so many gigs offering the service to do the email marketing with Klaviyo. And they have different plans like basic, standard, and premium. With the basic plan, they are charging $20 just for signing up a Klaviyo page and doing some simple things like integration of the store. The money that these gigs are charging, like account setup and also creating email campaigns and flows, are easily done by the website itself. So you can charge clients for doing this simple task. Now let's go to an example. There is one gig here. I will set up top-notch Klaviyo email marketing flows for e-commerce. So if you look at the plans, there is a basic plan with account setup, some automation planning, and 2 flows, $20. And with the standard plan is 6 core e-commerce flows. What is flow here? Actually, flows are a sequence of automated actions that include SMS or email messages. And they are usually triggered when an action is done by a client on the website. So imagine you create a sign-up page on your client's website, and when a person comes to the website and add their information like their names and their email, this action triggers a flow. So Klaviyo will automatically send a welcoming message to their email. So if you go to Klaviyo website and go to the resources section, there is a part called Academy, and you can click the Academy. And in this section, there are so many things you can learn here, like, for example, emails, flows, forms, integrations, and etc. Now let's move to number 4, which is selling pictures. In this digital age, the demand for high-quality photos for different topics is really high, and companies and brands don't have enough time or resources to hire a professional photographer to go around and take the photos that they want. So that's where stock photography websites come in. Think about it. You may have a lot of great photos in your computer and that you have never used them. But by using platforms like Shutterstock, you can use those unused photos and turn them into cash. To start with this platform, you don't need to have an expensive camera. You can start with your mobile phone if it's a decent one with a good camera. This platform, Shutterstock, in their website boasts that they've paid over $1 billion to their community of contributors over the last 15 years. So that's some serious earning potential there. So the question is, how do you become a contributor? There are 4 steps for doing that. First is create, second is submit, 3 is get paid, and 4 is refer. So when you upload your photos, they can be sold repeatedly. And that's a very good source of passive income. You can even earn while you sleep. Imagine you have 100 photos in your computer and you put them in the website. And imagine that 10 of them could be sold for $10. So in a month, if you sell all of them, that could be $100 in your pocket. Now let's go to number 5, which is doing social media management services. Are you willing to turn your scrolling habit to a money-making side hustle? So you have to consider doing social media management. It is just turning your passion for social media into a profitable venture. With more than 70% of Americans using social media every day, there is a high demand for people to have somebody to manage these accounts. There are a variety of things you can do as a social media manager, like crafting engaging content and also engaging with the audience and also answering the comments. Now let's go to an example gig on Fiverr for this kind of service. Here we can see that there is a gig here. I will be your Facebook, Instagram manager and content creator. This person has 485 reviews with 4.9 ranking, which is really good. And also we can see the different plans here, like basic plan, which is $50. And it includes actually posting on 3 platforms, and the basic plan is for $50 and it includes just posting on 3 platforms for 7 days every day. So we can see that in this basic plan, there is no content creation. The freelancer just uses the already created content from the client and posts them on 3 platforms for 7 days. And only in the standard version, which is $100, the freelancer is actually creating content for 10 days on 3 platforms. And with premium, he's charging $250 for 30 days posting on 3 platforms. So when you want to create content for Instagram or Facebook or other platforms, to start with content creation, you can use Canva, which is free, and use the templates for different platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or other ones. The last one, number 6 in this list, is virtual assistant. Did you know that lazy people can be organized too? If you like multitasking, and you have a desire for doing to-do list, this is a great service for you. So from the comfort of your home, remotely, you can help companies or businesses to do a variety of tasks. These tasks could include data entry, creating reports, responding to emails, bookkeeping, blog management, research, event management, and scheduling. You can do this type of side hustle from your home, from coffee shop, or while you're traveling. If you look at the website freelancer.com, you can see that there have been many jobs like these posted before. For example, we can see here, providing remote administrative support for busy professionals, managing customer service inquiries and ensuring guest satisfaction for Airbnb clients, or conducting research and generating reports to support decision-making. Usually an average hourly rate for this type of side hustle is $20. And if you work around 12 hours per week, you could be earning $1,000 per month. There are a variety of platforms offering this type of jobs like freelancer.com, Airtasker, Fiverr, and Upwork. Now let's go to an example on Fiverr for this. Here we can see that there is one gig. I will do virtual assistant tasks, web research, and data entry. And the basic plan charges $10 for travel planning, basic photo editing, organizing and classifying or tagging the files. And he's doing the same in the standard, but for 4 hours, and he's charging $35. And for the premium, he's charging $70 for 8 hours of work. I hope you heroes enjoyed this list of laziest side hustles. And if you're interested, you can check out this video where I talk about 16 websites that can pay you daily. And thanks again for watching, and if you enjoyed, please don't forget to like and subscribe and come back for more videos.